Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering, do I need a phone mount on my water bottle? At first, I was a little skeptical when I got this one from Scosche, whether I would actually use that feature or not. It turns out I do. Most of us are tied to our phones. I have mine with me at all times, and this makes such a nice mount. So like if you're on your coffee break or lunch break at work and you wanted to be able to be hands-free and watch content on your phone, maybe reply to messages, take selfies, whatever it is, this has a strong magnetic holder on it. As you can see, we have metal walls in our at-home gym, and I could just stick this straight on the wall. This magnet is so strong, it can hold a full bottle of water, no problem at all. Besides that, this is double-walled stainless steel, anti-leak. It has a straw option or not, depending on how you want to drink it. This can hold cold or hot water. And if you're a dog person, the bottom of this peels off and you can use it as a dog bowl. I don't have a dog, so I can't show you that in action, but it's pretty cool. I got this gorgeous pink color in 22 ounces. You can get other colors, other sizes of this water bottle. You're gonna use it more than you even think you will, and that's my point of view.